Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, kita dari kelas internasional kelompok PJBLE. Kita sedang melakukan project based learning, yaitu melakukan sampling Herpetofauna, insekta dan mamalia. Perkenalkan, salah satu anggotanya adalah saya, Andrew Justin.
Kami melakukan sampling di Taman Andhang Pangrenan, dan perkenalkan, saya Amarrini Nabila Rahmah, NIM B1B0222-009.
Kenalkan, nama saya Kharisma Putri Heriyanto dengan NIM B1B022039.
Perkenalkan, saya Destiana Wulandari, NIM B1B022030.
Saya Dhimas Setiyono dengan NIM B1B022040. Mari ikuti keseruan sampling kami.
Andhang Pangrenan Park in Purwokerto serves as a vital green space for both recreation and ecological preservation. It hosts diverse wildlife, including animals, insects, and herpetofauna, making it an excellent site for studying animal systematics. This project-based learning in animal systematics, too, course aims to explore and document the park's biodiversity, enhancing the students' skills in species identification, data collection, analysis, and interpretation. This hands-on approach integrates theory with practical field experience, promoting active and cooperative learning. Investigating the park's biodiversity is crucial for conservation efforts, providing essential data for future environmental management and research. This initiative not only improves students' academic knowledge, but also fosters an appreciation for biodiversity conservation, contributing to scientific advancement and environmental protection in Purwokerto's Andhang Pangrenan Park.
The Oriental Garden Lizard, or Calotes versicolor, is a member of the genus Calotes within the subfamily Draconinae and the family Agamidae. This species, medium to large in size, is distinguished by the posterodorsal direction of its lateral scales. It is a diurnal lizard that exhibits both semi-arboreal and arboreal behaviors, commonly inhabiting scrublands, deciduous forests, and plantations. This lizard often basks on tree trunks or branches facing either upward or downward to regulate their body heat. Males and females are similar in overall appearance and scale patterns, though females have much smaller nuchal and dorsal spines than they lack a gular sac. During the breeding season, adult males can display bright body colors that they can change it quickly, which is why they are also known as the chameleon tree lizard.
The domestic dog, or Canis lupus familiaris, is from mammal class and canine genus. They have many various sizes, coat type, and colors. The species we found in the Andhang Park was the pit bulldog. The pit bulldog has characteristic is round eyes, short but pointed tail, muscular body, and strong jaw. They also omnivorous animal with dietary needs that have adapted to include in a range of both animal and plant-based food. They can live on various environments. They also have significant emotional and physiological benefits to humans. This species found in the house yard nearby Andhang Park with one individual species who have brown color and was in sleeping position. The domestic cat, or Felis catus, is from mammal class and Felidae family. This species has characteristics are small body, carnivorous mammals, typical weighing between 3.6 until 4.5 kg, with a flexible body, retractile claws, and sharp teeth adapted for hunting. They possess excellent night vision and an keen sense of smell, aiding in their predatory lifestyle. Domesticated cats show a variety of coat colors and patterns due to selective breeding. They are obligate carnivores, requiring a diet rich in meat. This species found in the roadside stall nearby Andhang Park, with one individual species who have mixed color body and was in walking position.
Orterum sabina, or commonly known as the slender skipper or green marsh hawk, is a dragonfly species found widely across Europe, Asia, Africa, and Australia. It is distinguished by its slender body and wings, with males displaying a blue or bluish-green hue, and females typically appearing brownish yellow. Orterum sabina thrives in various aquatic habitats such as ponds, lakes, and slowly moving streams, where it preys upon a variety of flying insects including mosquitoes and small flies. This species undergoes complete metamorphosis, starting from eggs laid in water, progressing through aquatic nymph stages, and culminating in adults that frequently perch on vegetation near water bodies. Recent research over the past decade has explored its ecological role as predator in freshwater ecosystem, its mating behavior, reproductive strategies, the population dynamic concerning habitat changes, and its potential significance as an indicator species for assessing environmental health and guiding conservation status.
The next species is the Lepticorista oratorius. Commonly referred to as the rice ear bug, this is an insect native to Southeast Asia, predominantly found in rice-growing areas. This species is characterized by its slim, elongated body, which typically measures between 15 to 18 millimeters in length, and its brownish color that blends well with rice plants. It is a major pest in rice cultivation, feeding on the sap of developing rice grains, which leads to shriveled grains and reduced yields. The life cycle of Lepticorista oratorius includes the egg, nymph, and adult stages, with females laying clusters of eggs on rice leaves. Recent research has examined its feeding habits, ecological impact, and the development of integrated pest management strategies to control its population. Studies have also looked at its response to environmental changes and the potential for biological control using natural predators and parasitoids. The next species is the Hermetia illucens, or most commonly known as the black soldier fly. This is a distinct insect which is celebrated for its dual role in waste management and sustainable protein production. The adult black soldier flies are medium-sized, typically measuring between 16 to 18 millimeters in length. They are characterized by their black coloration and smoky wings. Unlike many insects, they are harmless to humans, not biting or even transmitting diseases. The larvae of these insects are highly efficient at consuming diverse organic materials such as food waste and decaying vegetation, contributing significantly to waste reduction and nutrient recycling. This species is particularly valued for its ability to convert organic waste into nutrient-rich biomass, which can be used in animal feed and various biotechnological applications. Recent research has focused on optimizing larval production methods, exploring their nutritional value for livestock and aquaculture, and also evaluating their environmental impact, as well as advancing their potential in sustainable waste management strategies.
Mantis religiosa, known as the Europe mantis, is a predator insect original from Europe that has spread to North America and other areas. It is distinguished by its elongated body, which can grow up to 7.5 cm long, and its unique preying posture with forelimbs folded to capture prey. This species shows sexual dimorphism, with female being larger and more robust than males. Recent studies have examined its behavior, ecology, mating behavior such as sexual cannibalism, and its effectiveness in pest control. Nepticilla, commonly known as the common Tailor butterfly, is a species found across various habitats in Asia, including forest, garden, and open field. It belongs to Nabila family and is known for its distinct black and white marking with orange patch on its wings provide effective camouflage in its natural environment. The butterfly typically has a wingspan of 4.5 to 6.5 cm with females generally larger than males.
The great egg fly, sometimes called the blue moon butterfly or Hypolimnus bolina, forewings of male are primarily black with one large white dot on each hind wing and two hawk white spots surrounded by a metallic blue tint. This vivid blue hue seems to sparkle in the sunlight. The wings underside have a brown pattern that is less noticeable. Compared to male butterflies, female butterflies have a wider variety of less spectacular wing design. Hypolimnus bolina has a black body covered in tiny hairs. Its long, slender antenna with rounded tips and wide, spherical eyes act as sensory organs for taste and smell perception. The butterfly's tarsus equipped thin legs enable it to securely grasp flower and foliage. We also find one species on sampling in Andhang Park, Purwokerto. The common sailor or Neptis columella is a species of butterfly belonging to the Nymphalidae family. The pattern of the hind wings is similar, with larger, more noticeable spots and a transverse white band. Neptis columella bottom wings have a similar pattern to the upper section, but they are grayish-brown with a softer pattern of white lines and patches. The body is dark brown and thin, and the head has the characteristic club-shaped antenna of this family of butterflies. When the wings are fully extended, Neptis columella typically measures 45 to 55 mm from forewing tip to hind wing tip. Neptis columella glides with its wings open, displaying a unique flight pattern of swift, straight flight movements interspersed with brief gaps. We found one species on sampling in Andhang Park, Purwokerto.
Pyrithrapae, commonly known as the small white or cabbage white butterfly, is a prevalent species found in various habitats across Europe, Asia, and North America, including Garden Vale and Meadow. It is recorded by its white wings with sharp black tints on the forewing wing and on one or two black spots, with females show more pronounced blood black marking indicate sexual dimorphism. The butterfly has a wingspan of 4 to 6 cm and annotates its quick and erratic flight.
The leaf butterfly, or Elymnias hypermnestra, exhibit a pronounced sexual dimorphism in which the male and female have distinct physical characteristics. With its hooked, compound eyes and short, round-tipped antenna, the body is rather modest. Its wings uneven form aids in its ability to hide from predators. This combination of colors and patterns not only makes Elymnias hypermnestra fascinating to study, but also demonstrates sophisticated evolutionary adaptation to survive in its environment. And we found one species on sampling in Andhang Park, Purwokerto.